Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So I woke up today and I got this notice from TradeStation. There's been an exercise notice on my account. So this is not the end of the world, but I will not be able to roll this put option to the next month or generate any more cash unless I want to do a covered call at this point because I now own the stock. So not a big deal. Stock is doing pretty well. Let's go take a look at the position and how it's doing. All right, here's the position of NWL, New Brands. I think we're poised here to go higher, but take heed here. We're a little bit down, so we're pretty close. All right, and with the addition of the premium, I'm still ahead on this stock. So I'm okay with this position being executed. Not a huge deal. Somebody just wanted to get their money out. And they just picked me randomly. And that's fine, because I can turn around and sell a covered call and another cash covered put because I want to make this position grow in my account anyway. So stay tuned for that in this next episode. And be sure you guys join the channel, see how you handle these things. Like I said, not a panic. We're still green, even though this thing thinks we're red. It's like that with a lot of these positions, right? You sell a bunch of premiums and the cash covered puts, covered calls. They don't take that into account. So anyway, just pocket that for next time. Buy some more stock, whatever. Reduce the cost basis. And that's how we handle it. All right, guys. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.